My car is dead, but you guys don't need to feel bad. I'll get it all solved tomorrow. I'm getting situated. And there's also like an Amber Alert in the area too, so that's been nice. That just happened actually while I'm standing outside in the woods with my car. That won't start. But as you can see, I made it so I shoved everything on the driver's seat, so now I could lay in bed nice and comfy. So this is gonna be my home from now on. This is I thought I heard something. But yeah, everything is all fine and under control. Let's crawl in. Typically, this is not how I want to do it. Ideally, I need to get rid of enough stuff where I have the driver's seat completely empty so I could just crawl from my driver's seat to bed. That's how I used to do it.